Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. When it comes to most DIYers, the two saws that you're going to need is the Skillsaw, the circular saw here on the left, and then the reciprocating saw, or Sawzall, which says right here on the right. Now, when it comes to these two saws, the circular saw will give you smooth, straight, clean cuts. The Sawzall here is going to give you rough, generally crooked types of cuts, but it's not about what you are cutting, it's the application. So the Skillsaw here, on a table like this is the ideal situation to use a Skillsaw, where you can be in a very controlled manner. The Sawzall is when you need to go step on to a ladder or something else. The Sawzall has much more versatility to it than the Skillsaw. So for a DIYer, or I guess a tradesperson, which saw is better? I would say both have their applications. You should have both. The circular saw will give you nicer cuts, but the Sawzall has much more versatility to it. So with these two saws, you're going to be able to tackle most projects without issue. So guys, here is a Sawzall blade, and this goes back and forth. So because you have such a long blade here, you can cut through something that is much wider opposed to the circular saw. In a nutshell, I would say having both saws is the best approach, but if you're not going to be cutting all that often, then the Sawzall here, this has much more versatility. You can get all types of blades for both of these saws, so these saws should get you through most situations without issue. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.